So. Good morning! Today is a full day in Hong Kong. We are going to Ngong Ping and go ride the Ngong Ping 360 cable car and then go to Lantau Village and see what's there. This is Hong Kong in broad daylight. At least in this area. Ganyan. We are at Yau Ma Tei station. Yau Ma Tei. We're going to San Are. Tapos Tung Chung line. Okay. OOTD. She's wearing a maxi dress. We call this our duster dress. And I'm also wearing the same. If you're seeing it from the reflection, pink naman yung akin. Riding the Walkalator. So din itong area. We are going to Ngong Ping 360. Nakakadto na kami dikat. Naguntat kami di para lang maglantaw sa cable car. Tapos diretso kami sa Hong Kong Disneyland. Kag nagpa-picture. Abot kami nga malantaw mga cable cars. Pero wala kami nag-ride syempre. Kaya wala na kami kwarta. Kakadto na kami dito. Wala ka na nag-upod. Kasi grabe nang sakit ng imutiil. Napaltusan ka to ata. Oo. This way. We are now at the Ngong Ping cable car. Ticketing office pa lang kami. And we're gonna ride those cable car. We bought cable car tickets at via Klook. So, i-redeem namin. Wala masyadong maraming tao, wala masyadong maraming pila. Good thing with buying tickets from Klook, so you're skipping the lines now of buying the ticket. So with the voucher, diretso ka na dun sa scanning ng QR code para dun sa cable car. So yeah, very very convenient to buy your tickets from Klook aside from the discounts. You're skipping lines actually. So we're joining this group of people. That's just fast, 25. I thought it's 25 minutes.
You go now, you go now. Do you want to change the place so you're meeting? Because you're going with your back. I'm going what? Like your back. Susunod sa amin sila. Kasi mo nitindi siya back ka sila.
Grabe. Si Kuya, siya ng isa. God, siya ng isa.
Bye-bye. Sabi.
There you go. There's a cable car. So baka dito na kami kakain ni Kat. Let's see. Kat's order is chicken with fried rice, and then my order is lemon garlic chicken with rice and veggies. That's the Big Buddha. 10 minutes walk lang siya from Ngongping village. We're visiting the Big Buddha. Ayun. There.
Cause I think that I've been falling ever since that day out in the park. And I don't know if this is love, but maybe this could be the start. Wondering if you feel the same. Wondering if my heart's okay. I don't know if this is love or just a phase. Oh, if I could have you, I would float across the moon. Know that when I'm with you, there's nothing we can't do. Cause I think that I've been falling ever since that day out in the park. And I don't know if this is love.
Decided not to go to the Tayo Fishing Village anymore kasi 45 minutes pa siya from Taichung MTR station. Pabalik na kami ng Central. More food because we want to go to a lot of bakeries, especially bakehouse sa Waichan. One chai. Pangali ng suli. One chai. Tama ka? One chai. One chai. Ayun. So, pass na muna tayo sa Tayo Village. So, balik na tayo dun sa cable cars because we got round-trip tickets of cable cars through Klook.
Desde vai até 30 quilômetros.
Ayan, may falls.
Nothing like your smile in the morning, following the linings on your cheeks. 'Cause baby, in your absence, life is boring, so I'll never leave. It's easier to love when it's you by my side, shining through the cracks like the first morning light, feeling like a child through the days and the nights, living in your arms as the years go by. It's easier to love, oh, oh, easier to love, oh, oh. It's nothing like the way that you adore me. I can feel love from miles away. If the light in your eyes tells me stories of life in a more perfect place where I wanna stay. It's easier to love when it's you by my side, shining through the cracks like the first morning light, feeling like a child through the days and the nights, living in your arms as the years go by. It's easier to love, oh, oh, easier to love, oh, oh. If the sky is falling down on me, you'll be the one that's by my side to lift away from me. And if I find myself in reckless seas, you'll be the one to pull me back into reality. Nothing like your smile in the morning, following the linings on your cheeks. 'Cause baby, in your absence, life is boring, so I'll never leave. It's easier to love, oh, oh. It's easier to love, oh, oh. Easier to love, oh, oh. Easier to love.
After you get off the cable cars, madadatnan nyo is ang souvenir shops. Ang dami-daming items nila dito. Ang gaganda. But of course, medyo pricey siya because, yun nga, it's for the tourists. So, labas na tayo. That's the Taichung Swimming Center. Swimming pool. It's a Saturday today, so expected na ang daming locals na pumupunta with their families sa mga ganitong lugar. So, dito sa Hang Seng Bank, yung ATMs dito, tinatanggap ang GCash. So, kaka-withdraw ko lang. The exchange rate was 7.19, sa GCash 7.21 HKD. Steakhouse! Okay. Magda-dine-in kami, so we're going inside our cafe. This is sourdough egg tart and ham and cheese croissant. Hot dog, also an egg tart and chocolate croissant. Steer ko, wala akong napindutan ng video. So we are eating at Hamstros. It has a Michelin star, 1 Michelin star noong 2021. Currently, number 762 ang siniserve. Our number is 810. We are currently at Wan Chai Promenade. A few people know that pwede rin makapanood ng Symphony of Lights here at Wan Chai. So, it's 7 o'clock. We're still waiting for it. 8 p.m. pa ang Symphony of Lights. And here we are! Haggard's over Zoza! This is the curry beef brisket. Is milk tea. Cat is lemon tea na hot. And she ordered beef brisket with Shanghai noodles. That's her order. Unang kagat, patatas lahat. Hindi. Hindi tayo makat. Ako yung kagabi, yung melts in your mouth, hindi. Mas balik. Kit-kit na oh. Ah, this is cute ka to. This one, oh. Ah, umbrella. Abi ko water bottle. Umbrella. Uy. Mas gamay pagid. Ga-close sila.
जो रियली तेरे को चाहिए रियल में चाहिए अच्छा है तो
Naga-close na sila, Kat. Anong oras pa lang? Ay, gusto ko ni dagtag nga amo ni. Hanap kami ng dessert. Nadaanan lang namin itong market. So, hindi talaga kami magsha-shopping. So, hanap muna kami ng cafe. Soy Street. Desserts tayo dito sa McDo. We have blueberry McFlurry here in Hong Kong, McDonald's Hong Kong.